Oop, got a hit. Got him. Feels good. Yep. Holy smokes, guys. Oh, good gracious. Woo, man. Nice. Nice fish, guys. Good gracious this morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. I was trying to get an intro fish. Hey, guys, we got an intro fish right here. So today we're at Lake Garcia, and man, this bass right here is spawning. Look at that. This is a spawning bass right here. See that fat stomach? I'm gonna be really careful with this fish. But look, guys, we're doing something a little bit different. We're using speed worms, but we're using Bitters speed worms. All right, this is a Bitters swim worm right here. And guys, look what I just caught. This beautiful female right here. All right, so if this is the first time you dropped into this channel, what I do, I teach you how to catch bass. All right, the simple way. And guys, let's go. Let's catch more fish, and let's let this beautiful girl go. All right. All right, guys, so I'm using the native shiner color. All right, that's this color right here. It looks very gold, like a golden shiner. And this is what it looks like as a package. Now I do have several other packages of different colors, and I'm gonna try different colors today to see what bites. But right now, we just caught that beautiful bass with this color right here. So let's keep on using it, and let's catch more fish. Got a hit. Oh, way out there. Think I lost. Gracious. All right. There we go. We got another one. Nice little bass right here. This looks like a male. All right, let's go ahead and get another one. Beautiful fish though. Yeah, it's a fish. All right. Here we go, guys. There we go. Nice. Look at the colors of this fish right here. Beautiful. Beautiful fish right here, man. There we go. All right, let's let it go. Nice. There we go. All right, another little one. Woo, this guy's feisty, man, like a little feisty guy. There we go. All right, guys, I'm out of the other color worms, so I'm gonna try these worms right here. All right, this is the June bug blue silver glitter. All right, so let's give this a shot. Oh, got a hit. All right. here's the lures for today, all right? It's the Bitters Mega Vibe right here, all right? And how I rigged it up, a 3/16 ounce bullet weight, a bobber stopper, and a 4/0 hook right here, guys. And that's the lure. And I was just casting to the cover, mainly around lily pads. There's only a few fish spawning right now, not a lot. And I was trying to catch those spawning bass. I only got a few, but look guys, it was a great time. I still enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoy watching. But look, like always, thank you so much for watching. And guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Zoom speedworm. This is actually a Bitters Messed that up. Let her go. Let's be gentle with this bad boy and let her go. But beautiful bass. But today, guys, if this is the first time you're tuning into this video, God, pads and other grass, and the bass right now are spawning. Screw that up.